Okay, now I'm going to work out the problems that I asked you to try by yourself. I will talk my way through them. On this one, I was given one ordered pair and the slope, so this is pretty straightforward. I am looking for y equals mx plus b. Remembering x comes before y, so I will substitute -2 in for y, slope of 3, 5 for x, so I can solve for b. Doing order of operations, I end with a y-intercept of -17. As I stated earlier, you will never use those numbers again. Okay, I have y equals 3x minus 17. Do not put plus -17. That will not be accepted as an answer. Do not need double signs. On the next one, I gave you just two ordered pairs. That means I must first calculate the slope, the change in y over the change in x. I like to just go left or right. Sometimes that gets me negative signs. I can handle that. If we want to go right to left, we will not have negative signs, but we will arrive at the same answer. I end with a slope of positive 1/2. You may choose either the first ordered pair or the second ordered pair. It does not matter. It won't change anything. I'm just going to pick the first ordered pair for no particular reason. I will substitute that into the equation. So y is 1. We have a slope of 1/2. X is 1. And I'm solving for b. Again, I'm going to do some mental math. That's a half. Subtract that from there. Y-intercept of 1/2. Now it is time for me to write my equation. I will not use either ordered pair. Y equals 1/2 x plus 1/2. For the next one, it's the exact same process. I first need to find the slope by the change in y over the change in x. Y minus y, I need to be careful with my negative and subtraction signs, over x minus x. I end with 6 over -3, which equals a -2. Wonderful. Now I'll pick either ordered pair, doesn't matter which. Last time I picked the first one, so this time I'll pick the second one. I will substitute what I know. Y is -3, m was -2, x is 2. Now I need to solve. That's -4, add 4 to both sides, b equals 1. Therefore, my equation is y equals -2x plus 1. Marvelous. Write an equation on the line, with an x-intercept of 3 and a y-intercept of 4. So we really need to pay attention to what we have going on here. X-intercept of 3, what is my ordered pair for that? X-intercept of 3 would be the ordered pair, not 0, 3. Sorry about that. The ordered pair 3, 0. What is the ordered pair for y-intercept of 4? That is 0, 4. Oh, now it is just like the previous problem, so I have to find the slope, change in y over the change in x. So 0 minus 4 over 3 minus 0, I get -4/3. Now, because sometimes we just become equation solving maniacs, we would proceed on to do exactly what we did here. But wait a minute, I already provided you the y-intercept. I'm telling you what it is. You don't need to go any further. Y equals negative 4/3 x plus 4. If you did substitute one of these numbers into this equation, you would have come up with the same answer, and that is quite okay. Okay, the cost for 7 dance lessons is $82. This information goes together. If you want 7 dance lessons, it's $82. If you want 11 dance lessons, the cost is $122. We're going to write a linear equation for the cost C for D lessons. Got it. Okay. First thing we're going to have to do is come up with our ordered pairs. Well, for 7 lessons, you pay $82. For 11 lessons, we need to pay $122. So I'm going to find the rate of change, the cost per lesson. I would do y minus y over x minus x, negative 40 over negative 4. That equals $10 per lesson. Just so I know what it's talking about. Marvelous. Now I need to write the whole equation. Pick either ordered pair. It does not matter to me. I'm going to just pick the top one. Y is 82. Slope of 10 times 7 to find the beginning cost. That's 70. Subtract that from 82. I get 12 as my y-intercept. My equation then would be the cost is $10 per lesson plus a $12 fee. Now we need to talk about that. The C stands for the total cost. D is the number of lessons. It said that right in the math problem. This 10 is the price per lesson. So my question to you then is, what in the world does the 12 at the end mean? It can mean lots of things. It's the starting cost. You have to pay $12 before you may even do your first lesson. It is the joining fee, the initiation fee. This cost companies will charge you so they can pay their employees, pay for insurance, pay for lights, electricity. Things have an initiation fee, a membership fee. You have to pay sometimes just to join. It's a show up fee, and that is okay.